A very good day to all of you. Today we will start the chapter 1, that is Internet Basics. Today we discuss the topic network, internet, uses of internet, advantages of internet and disadvantages of internet. So our first point is network. What is network? When two or more systems are connected to each other, then this is called network. Suppose these are the systems of any area or any building or any firm, and if these are connected to each other, then they build network. That means if we take an example of a school campus, in a school campus there were different computer system in different area, just like office, library, lab. In this lab there are different computer lab, physics lab, chemistry lab. Smart classes. If all the systems of office, library, lab, technical classes of a school campus are connected to each other, then it forms network. That means there were two purposes to establish a network. The first is enhance communication, and second is share resources. Enhance communication, that means if the computer system are connected to each other in a network, then we have easily share our views or send something very easily in a less time. Second, share resources, that we take a live example of cafe, that there is a computer system of owner and all other computer systems that is used by the user in that cafe. If only one printer are connected this owner computer, and we have to make the output of a PDF or any of the document, then is done through this printer that is connected to the owner computer system. That means through this we have to share the printer for all other connected computer. So we have to establish network for enhancements of the communication and share resources. Now we talk about internet. Internet is the network of networks. Network of networks. Here is two different things, that is network and networks. Network, that is a single, only one area network. But in networks there is the group of different networks. That means in India there were different network and they are connected. That network are connected to each other to share their resources and share information, enhance communication, and a large number of networks connected to each other, and it form internet. That is widely or we say that all the smaller interconnected network are connected to each other to form internet. If we talk about history of internet, it popular in 1990s or mostly used by people from 1990 after the development of www, that is World Wide Web, and credit goes to ARPANET and NSFNet, ARPANET Advanced Research Project Agency Network, and National Science Foundation Network. Because before 1990s there were some private network and they are combined to each other, and with the help of ARPANET and NSFNet it developed the internet. And after 1990, after the development of www, internet become popular. Now, uses of internet. There is a lots of uses of internet. We already use internet for different purpose, but the most common use of internet in research, education, video conferencing, entertainment, and social networking. If we have to include another one, that is online payment, e-reservation, etc. These are the major area where we have to use internet. Now, advantages of internet. If we have to use internet, then there is the benefit for which we have to use in a broad level. The first, when we use internet, then it reduces our time to search anything. Reduce time. Second, connection. We are easily connect to everyone in a very less time and share our views in a proper way. Next is communication. Through internet, we are easily communicate from one people and other people and share our views, document, files, folder easily. And next is for a business purpose, there is a lots of advertisement, online conducting meeting that is done by any company in a easy way. That means for business purpose. Reduce time, connection, communication, business purpose. Now, disadvantage of internet. If we have got benefit from internet, then there is a demerit to use the internet, and the first major thing is virus. In a daily basis, we have to connect many of the people through the internet, or we have to share our views on a different site, or we have to take any of the information from internet or download any files or folder. Then virus easily or major resource of the internet that come that computer system from our computer system. Second, unwanted message. There is lots of unwanted message or undesirable message that is used by terrorists, and this is the main disadvantage of internet. Third, cyber fraud. There are lots of people that steal our information, important information, and share that information for unwanted access, that is cyber fraud, and we have to easily go through that internet and we haven't know that is authorized or accessible for us. The last one is accuracy. It is very difficult to check the accuracy of information on daily basis that information is accurate or not, because lots of people of same purpose they share their views, but we haven't easily check the accuracy of that information, and these are the main disadvantage of internet. Now, next topic of this chapter we discuss in next video.